Guys, what is up? It's MADSTAR123 or MADSTAR Investing back again with another video, and today we're going to be on the Degiro trader, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy options, European options, and when to buy them. So let's get into it. So the first stock I want to discuss about is the ING stock. It's actually a Dutch stock. It's a bank, and here if you go to the search tab up, I just searched the ticker symbol ING and I found this, and it's currently trading at $9.81, or now it's 56 cents. And if you go to its chart here down below, you can see its chart 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. So if you look at its 5 years chart, it's pretty interesting. It's had a high of 16. And if you see back in 2016, it was around this zone as well, 8.63, and it bounced up and nearly doubled in the next 2 years. So that's something what I see to happen over here. So therefore, I think it's a great time to buy the stock or buy the option for at least the next following months, because the stock can actually rise. But it is a bank, so it does get affected as the economy around the world also gets affected. So fingers crossed, if everything goes well, this can hope to double. So how you're going to buy an option? Well, you'll have to go to opties, options, and over here you can see on Euronext Amsterdam, you can go all the way down and click on ING Group, and European options always expire on the third Friday of the month. So here is 18th October. But do notice if the stock doesn't rise in your favor or go above these strike prices, then your option will expire worthless. So what this basically means, 0.14 cents means you're not actually going to pay 14 cents, you're going to pay 14 euros. Because it's going to come in 100 shares, since options come in 100 shares. And I'd say this one, your strike price is 680. It's more safer, but you have more risk on this one, because anything can happen. These ones, these are like out of the money ones right now, the $10 one. But I believe in 1 month it can easily go over 10, and I estimate it actually to go around the 10.50 mark. So this call can be in great value for 14 cents. You can also short these calls. So if you think it's not going to go with $10, but that will require you more margin. So if let's say you want to buy this call, this $10 call, you're going to pay 14 cents. So your break even will be $10.14. So in 18th of October, you want the stock to be above $10.14 to make any profit. But you can also sell it before. Yes, so let's get into it, and let's just say you want to buy it. So if you want to buy, here is your limit order. You say that you want to buy one of them, and you pay your limit. So let's say you want to pay, it's worth 14. So let's say you want to pay 14, and then it will also automatically tell you you'll have to pay $14. And the commission on this one, okay, I don't have enough money, this isn't like my fake account here. The commission is normally just 85 cents for this, to open the trade. And today's a Sunday, so nothing was gonna really respond. These are not responding. But you can also do door open, which means it will not be only for today, but also for any other days. This option is worth 14 cents. So that's about it, guys. Here's the put side. You can do the same thing on the put side if you're negative on the stock. But that's about it, guys, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.